Welcome back to Nomad Engine. Today, we're not just stepping into another motorhome, we're entering the world of grand touring reimagined. This is the 2026 STX Scania Motorhome, a machine that stands where power meets prestige, where engineering precision meets pure lifestyle. As dawn light spills across a quiet countryside estate, the silhouette of the STX Scania emerges, immense yet graceful, a moving sculpture of metal and light. It stands tall on its heavy-duty chassis, the kind usually reserved for elite European racing teams and luxury horse transporters. But this one, it's sculpted for the open road, for those who believe travel should feel like a statement. From the very first glance, it captivates. The front fascia exudes modern dominance. LED matrix headlights sweep along a bold, aerodynamic grille, embossed with the STX emblem, framed by the unmistakable Scania badge. The paint finish, a deep metallic titanium with subtle pearl undertones, shifts under the light, revealing layers of craftsmanship that few would expect from something this large. The camera glides along the flanks of the vehicle, where every curve has been refined to defy its scale. Flush windows run seamlessly into polished chrome strips, reflecting the sky like liquid glass. Hidden within the bodywork, storage bays open with hydraulic precision, silent, balanced, and effortless. The stance is commanding but not arrogant, a masterclass in proportion and balance. As it rests in stillness, there's a sense of anticipation, as if the road itself is waiting for it to awaken. The 22-inch polished alloys wrapped in performance-grade tires seem poised to roll across continents without hesitation. And when the Scania badge gleams under the sun, it feels like a seal of engineering perfection, a reminder that this isn't just a motorhome. It's a flagship built on the backbone of a legend. Step closer, and the craftsmanship becomes intimate. The electric side door glides open with a soft hum, revealing a warm amber glow from within, a contrast to the industrial strength outside. The transition from exterior might to interior serenity feels cinematic, almost symbolic. The outside world fades, replaced by calm, curated beauty. Inside, the STX Scania's interior unfolds like the lounge of a five-star penthouse. Every detail radiates intention. Hand-stitched Italian leather wraps around the seats and ceiling panels, while real oak veneers and brushed aluminum accents trace the cabin in minimalist harmony. Ambient lighting flows in gentle gradients, changing tone as daylight shifts, transforming mood and texture as easily as flipping a switch. The main salon greets you with elegance. A U-shaped sofa curves around a central table of polished walnut, its surface reflecting soft light from recessed LED strips. The walls breathe warmth, insulated by layers of acoustic materials that hush the outside world. Even the air feels different, filtered, tempered, and perfumed with subtle natural oils. A panoramic skylight above floods the space with daylight, offering a window to the world beyond. Mountain peaks, oceans, or city skylines all framed like living paintings. The kitchen area blends technology and taste. Induction surfaces, a concealed oven, an integrated espresso bar, and a silent refrigerator, all tucked seamlessly into cabinetry that closes with hydraulic precision. Every corner whispers refinement. Drawers glide open with effortless grace. The surfaces stay cool to the touch. And as you walk through, you realize this is not just a motorhome. It's a moving residence, designed not for travel but for living, fully, beautifully, without compromise. Deeper within, the private suite awaits, an intimate retreat wrapped in luxury. A full king-size bed rests atop an elevated platform, framed by floating light strips that mimic the horizon at dusk. Above, a starlit panel glows softly, recreating the illusion of a night sky even when parked indoors. Surrounding it, rich Alcantara walls and sculpted wood panels give the room warmth and texture, while integrated climate control maintains perfect harmony, cool, silent, and constant. The bathroom feels like it belongs to a high-end hotel. A rain shower with chromatic lighting, marble-style ceramic walls, and a backlit mirror that adjusts brightness based on the time of day, all orchestrated by a central control system. STX has engineered every detail with intent. This isn't just comfort, It's precision, hospitality, and motion. But beauty means little without performance. Beneath the bodywork lies Scania's next-generation hybrid powertrain, a 13-liter diesel-electric system that balances immense torque with remarkable efficiency. The 2026 model delivers a near-silent glide at cruising speeds, with the electric motor taking over during low-speed travel, making urban navigation smooth and eco-conscious. The 8-speed automatic transmission feels more like a luxury limousine than a heavy-duty hauler. When you're behind the wheel, the cockpit transforms the experience. Digital displays wrap around the driver's line of sight, offering live data, navigation, and performance metrics in minimalist clarity. The steering wheel, thick, leather-wrapped, and responsive, gives confidence with every movement. Outside, the world flows by through a panoramic windshield that stretches wide and tall, turning every drive into a cinematic journey. And then there's the ride quality, the real magic. Thanks to the adaptive air suspension and reinforced chassis, the STX Scania glides over uneven terrain with astonishing grace. Every bump becomes a whisper, every corner, a ballet. Even on long drives across mountain passes or desert highways, passengers remain cocooned in quiet, effortless stability. Off-grid capability, STX delivers that too. A solar-assisted energy system, high-capacity lithium batteries, and water purification modules make it self-sustaining for weeks. It's not just built to explore, it's built to belong anywhere. From alpine retreats to coastal hideaways, it transforms every location into a private villa, no reservations required. And yet, beyond all the numbers, torque figures, and specifications, the 2026 STX Scania represents something far more profound, a philosophy of movement. It's about freedom refined by craftsmanship. It's the art of travel elevated to elegance. When you watch it roll across an open highway at sunset, the paint shimmering, the horizon glowing, it feels less like transportation and more like a dream in motion. Of course, dreams have their price. The 2026 STX Scania Motorhome starts at around 1.8 million USD, placing it among the most exclusive road machines ever built. But what you pay for is not just engineering, it's the experience of owning a masterpiece that carries your world wherever you wish to go. Because when you travel in an STX Scania, you don't just arrive, you make an entrance. So if you've enjoyed this cinematic journey through one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever crafted, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe to Nomad Engine for more stories where art, travel, and engineering collide. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling, your horizons wide, and your adventures limitless.